Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done any videos. I've been working away in the background. I'm not really into doing very many YouTube videos anymore, but you know, I'm going to do one on this here because I just finished putting this one together. This is a 2004 Mxz X 600 SDI. Cool little sled. I wasn't planning on doing any more revs, but for some reason I got a soft spot for these things and I just keep buying them. So this guy here, when I got it, I'll put some pictures up here right now of kind of what this thing looked like when I got it. So yeah, as you can see, she was, you know, it was in okay shape, but so the front none was twisted. This shock here, actually, I think it was this side. The shock was actually hitting the A-arm on this side. But so I found a part sled, and I'll post a whole bunch of pictures at the end of the video too, of what it looked like and the parts chassis and everything. So I bought a parts chassis, and the none on that parts chassis was actually in like perfect condition, which is super weird. So I got that, and yeah, so I swapped out the none. Had to rebuild the motor, of course, because why would you ever buy a sled that the motor runs? So when I bought it, it was already all stripped down and in pieces. So I had to get a new crank, one new cylinder, pistons, rings, gaskets, reeds. So I ended up picking up some V-Force because it's just a better bang for your buck when you're replacing these, because the stock ones are pretty expensive. So you might as well just go to V-Force. What else have I done? So I put the J Favels brace kit in it. So that one, just open up the hood here. So it was the 7-piece one. So it comes with these braces here, and then in this side panel, I'm still waiting for a battery. I didn't come with the cover for the battery, so I'm waiting on that to show up. But yeah, so it came with the brace there, and then it's got another brace right in here. This is another brace, and then along the two front of the bulkheads there. So yeah, nice kit, works well. Definitely going to add some good rigidity to these things, because again, these ones are they're pretty weak, especially these 04s. They didn't even come with let's open this again here. Wonder if I can show it here. No, I can't really see it, but anyways, there's a bunch of little brace plates and stuff inside there that the 04s never even came with. Yeah, other than that, yellow bumper, because it came with the black bumper, and these things originally come with the yellow, and my god, that yellow bumper makes a huge difference. And then picked up a yellow skid plate. In my opinion, the yellow skid plate is a must on these. It just looks really good. And then of course, typical stuff like I always do. All the drive bearings and seals have all been done. I have not got into the skid yet. I kind of checked all the bearings and they all feel pretty good. So I'm not going to tear that skid out right now. I'm just going to ride it. New chain case oil, and yeah, runs pretty good. Let's give her a couple pulls here and get her to fire up. Waiting on a new primary clutch to come in. That's her, boys. Beauty. Oh, and I had to replace the handlebars too. The other ones were pretty bent. 4,600 miles on the chassis, but yeah, there she is. Thanks for watching.